Hello guys! I am in my bouncing ball in my exercise time, and this toe also is with me. Additions to the weight. Alaka! Hold tight! Hello? Hold tight mga palanggang! Sinong makarelate dyan? Mommy's exercise in the bouncing ball with kiddies. Bouncing, bouncing. Hi! Time. Hold tight. Hold tight mga palangging. Scared? Why scared?
Bouncing a ball.
Bouncing a ball. Bouncing a ball with these two little makulit ni Mami. Gusto rin nilang mag-bouncing ball. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Hello. Bouncing with Mommy too. Gunit mga tiyay. Wee. Wee. Bah. Ay, ang bigat nila, promise. Wee. Luckily, yung bouncing ball ko can carry a heavy weight. Bouncing ball. Bouncing, bouncing ball. Bouncing ball. Bouncing, bouncing ball. Bouncing, bouncing, bouncing. Pag ito pumutok, good luck talaga. Bouncing ball. Bouncy, bouncy ball. Bouncing ball. Bouncy, bouncy ball. Bouncy ball. Bouncy, bouncy ball. Bouncing ball. Bouncing. Oh my God. Enough na ba mga palanggan? Faster, faster pa kuno. Hala ka. Faster, faster pa sila. Bouncing ball. Bye bye.
Hi.
Bye.
Hi.